do hair like mommy. Hi guys, mommy hair like me. This is Saturday Sunday.
Hi guys, it is Stylish Sunday, and as my baby told you, we're about to do some really cool princess hair like her with these face buns. I'm excited. It's gonna be a cute look, and as always, I'm gonna try to make it a whole week with the looks. Let's get started. So to start, I'm gonna go ahead and, moisturize my very dry locks. If I look exhausted to you, watch my video on Tuesday and y'all will see why I'm exhausted. I wanted to do something to showcase how to make extra money for y'all, so I went ahead and did 100 Uber rides, and I showed y'all how much 100 rides paid out, how long it took me to do 100 rides. I'm excited for y'all to see that. Make sure y'all watch it on Talk About It Tuesday. We're gonna start by moisturizing our hair. Y'all know my go-to is our Pretty Locs Rose Hydration Water. So let's go ahead and hydrate the hair. Now the reason why you hydrate your dreads, just like if you had your real hair out, is because it makes it more manageable. More manageable. Why am I'm tired, y'all. My words are tripping though. So we just hydrating all over. Y'all, when I tell y'all this stuff is the truth, y'all need to get some of this. Not only does it smell good, it really does a good job hydrating the hair. If you don't follow me on TikTok, I showed some examples on my hair and my kids' hair on how well it hydrates the hair. All right, after you got your hair nice and hydrated, the girl don't got dry dreads. After you hydrate your hair again, you're gonna go ahead and split it down the middle. Split it down the middle. Now, I didn't do perfect parts when I did my dreads, so my middle is probably gonna be a little bit different than your middle, which is fine. Whatever the middle is to you, go ahead and split it down the middle. This is my middle, so I have two sides now. All right, I think I should, even though this is Stylish Sunday and I give y'all like easy lock styles, I kind of want to, I like the name Stylish Sunday, but I need to put that these styles be so easy. Something to look complicated, and you really don't know how easy it is until somebody like, you'll feel like, oh, I can't do that. But then, I don't know, I'm just ranting. So after you got your two sides that you're gonna do your buns, this style gonna be easy. That's why I said I should call it Easy Sunday, right? Alexa, level 1. Y'all listen to jazz? I don't know why. I've always liked jazz, but I don't know. I've been liking listening to only worship music and jazz lately. Not saying I don't like other music. I do. Who doesn't? It's been having me in a headlock lately. It's been choking me lately. A little bit more to my roots. Actually, a cream-based moisturizer, and not just a spray. Only because honey still need a retwist. We are a whole week into this year, and honey still need a retwist. But I don't want to retwist my hair. I don't feel like it. This for the girls that don't feel like retwisting their hair all the time. AKA me. So I'm gonna moisturize right there. And another reason I'm moisturizing is because I know I'm gonna have to use a little bit of gel and edge control. And I don't be liking all that stuff like built up in my locks, cause it be, I don't know, I'm not big on gel. After you moisturize your hair to your liking, cause it's your hair, so do it how you like to do it. Go ahead and split your half 1/3. So if you had 3, 1, 2, and then 1/3, make that split nicer. I'm gonna use a scrunchie to move this out the way. Okay, so having dreads it make your life so much easier. Everything is just get up and go, right? Nobody talks about how frustrating it is as your dreads get longer. And because, so putting this back part in the scrunchie, and we're left with this. right? You get it? This is your 2/3 and this is your 1/3. Look at me teaching y'all fractions. Snatched. So I'm only gonna put a little bit and just on the edges. Like that. And you just gonna, you know, smooth it. Because you want this to be a nice smooth look. Alright, and now you're going to braid it back, but braid it kind of diagonal. Because you know you're gonna put it up in a ponytail, right? If you got new growth, be careful while you braiding your dreads, because you don't want to stick your hand in between your new growth that's not actually a dread, and then it becomes really hard to get a braid because it's almost like you popping your dread. You don't want to do that. So y'all know how to braid. Let me know in the comments if y'all know how to braid, because there be a lot of people who been alive for a lot of years with a lot of kids who still don't know how to braid, which to me, every girl should know how to do a basic braid. Ooh, this easy. Look, braid done. You don't really gotta braid it all the way down, only because of the look that we're doing. It's gonna be up in a bun because it's gonna be like a space bun. It's gonna be up, so you don't necessarily have to braid it all the way down. Now you just gonna repeat. You're gonna section it off 1/3 of the way. This is the side that give me a time, because y'all know this side was shaved for so long and now it's not shaved, so it's just hair that's out. We gotta pull this hair out of the way. There we go. And I'm thinking about shaving it again. Actually, I love my dreads. I want a shortcut, but I know I'm not gonna do it no time soon because I still gotta lose weight and get comfortable with my face. I've been looking at them. Jaw drop. I said I'm gonna do a shortcut when I turn 40, but that's gonna be impossible since I plan on being 33 forever. It's so weird. I'm like actually a girl sitting in front of the camera talking to the camera. I'm talking to y'all, but y'all not here yet, so I'm really talking to the camera. All right, moisturize your roots. Moisturize those roots too, baby. Get up in them roots. Same thing. Put my gel. All right, and we're gonna braid it again.
I haven't done my nails in forever, so I think I'm also gonna do me and my daughter's nails. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna do my nails today.
Done yet, because we gotta make sure the look come together. This hair up in a bun. So, oh no, that's even. So we're gonna go ahead and put this up. Put this up. Now, I'm not gonna smooth out this because I don't care if my back look worn. It's my front I care about. Look how long this hair is. This ridiculous. Thank you, God, but this ridiculous. That I'm gonna use because I know I'm gonna have to wrap it around a couple times. So you're gonna go ahead and put your first one up. Put your ponytail. Try to get it as close to the middle as possible. Go ahead. The hair's so long, y'all, and I know that's a good problem. And do a space bun. So I only wrapped it around twice because I actually gotta twist this hair and make it a bun. So I know I'm gonna have to wrap the scrunchie again. So you just gonna wrap your dreads that's left out like this, like twist it, twist it. I think, okay, twist it and then take your scrunchie. If you could find it, take your scrunchie and wrap it around again. There you go. There go your first space bun. This one, I might have to go back and fix that because I don't know. I think I want it up a little bit higher. You're gonna play with this until you get it to your liking. So I be doing it with y'all so we could be doing it together, so we could be figuring it out together. But one thing we gonna get is a look. Start off by twisting it. It's like wrap it around. Don't y'all like how we learning together? I'm not the girl to act like I'm perfect or like I know what I'm doing all the time, because I don't. Ooh, that's cute. This. I know I said I wasn't gonna brush the back, but I'm gonna just brush it a little bit. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is cute. Look. But I'm a full grown woman. I can't see myself walking around with two buns. I can't. as cute as it is. I'm gonna let my baby decide.
I like so beautiful.
I look so beautiful.
Yes.
We got the same hair.
Yes.
I just gotta add hair candy.
Yes.
I guess I'm wearing this.
Okay. I like it, Mommy.
I'm so happy you like it. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, she made me melt like butter every time. These hair jewelry. I want to put one right here in the front. Remember, y'all can find these on my website, prettylocs.shop. And you probably could find it at your local beauty supply store. But if you want to support a sister, go ahead and get it from my lock shop. Let me show y'all this hand of Fatima. It's so cute. Y'all see that?
I like this one.
Go ahead and clip that in. Put in some new hair clips in her hair.
The green one.
Oh, we look so cute. We're like twins. If you want to see our pictures, because I normally do us a little mini shoot, or I try to take a picture of all my looks, follow me on Instagram. It's Tay Walker. Follow me on TikTok. It's Tay Walker. And I'll be right back with our look. Okay, so we're finished. This is a look. This is what I'm going for with my space buns, because my baby said, Mommy, do your space buns. I tried some black lipstick. I'm gonna put a picture right here. I don't know, I wasn't crazy about it, so I just threw on some lip gloss. And then let me show y'all what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing them with these boots. It's cute. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be a look. Thank y'all for joining me for Stylish Sunday. See y'all next Sunday.